almost there. All right.
Abby, ayusin mo.
Come on. I'm dizzy.
Ay!
Hold on. Oh my god.
Oh no! Buti na lang may swimming pool, pre. Ilang beses ba muntik mamamatay ito si Abby?
You ready? Can I get a minute? Please. Okay. Okay.
Where to now?
I don't know.
What do you mean?
This is the right building, but I've never been to this part of it. The bridge drops us off at the back of the building. This is new to me.
Okay, well, let's see if we can find our own way down.
Puno lahat ng gamit ko. Hindi ako makapag-craft.
If that's the worst of it, we got off lucky.
Maybe it wasn't luck.
Maybe it was.
Some wolves believe in God.
Post-apocalyptic
I've heard them
time.
pray.
Tapos may nagme-maintain pa ng swimming pool.
Well, I don't.
Mukha bang
If I'm gonna
maintain
die,
tong
I'm gonna die
swimming
for
pool
me.
na to?
Then what are you doing here? Why did you come back for us?
Parang hindi ah.
Guilt.
Of what? You don't owe us anything.
I just needed to lighten the load a bit.
Parang tubig lang. Huwag ka magdabog. Puro kulot, pre. Hindi ko kailangan ng kulot. Pwede ba ako mag-upgrade ng decent mode? Aim stability increase. 100% accuracy, 100% stability. Can I get that, please? Thank you. Dapat drain na yun, walang tubig. O kaya puro lumot. Sa bagay. Okay na yun. At least nabuhay si Abby. It's just a game anyways. Wala nang loot dito. Okay. Shh. Oh my god, ba't hindi ko marinig? Ah, 12. Mga nagda-drop ng random numbers. Hello. Ayun.
It actually worked.
Asa na ba si Lev?
Here's our way down.
If we get to the street, we'll be right by the hospital.
May patay.
Just a body.
One of yours?
No. Check out the clothes. Here. Looks dark down there.
Oh, I see how this works.
Sir Victor.
Had
And
orders to
Arena
clear out this
ended.
building.
A very amazing, I'm a bit na blah blah blah. Pakialam ko. Pakialam ko sa'yo.
Lev, are there infected in this building?
We always take elevators down to the bottom, so I don't know.
Okay, wala na pala akong i-reload.
Spores. Masks on.
Ay, wala siyang mask.
Do you guys not believe in gas masks?
We were on the run.
Hanapan niya ng gas mask si
Let me
Lev.
see what I can find. Stay here. Back up. All the way.
If you die, I'll be stuck here.
You better start praying I make it. Okay, gas mask. Gas mask.
Okay, ano muna tayo? Normal bala. Okay, for sure. May clicker dito. No? I'm very sure na may clicker sa area na to. I'm 100% sure na meron. So, let's be careful. And huwag masyadong maingay.
Holy shit, this building's fucked. Shit.
Ayan na, ayan na.
Just stay up there, okay?
Ano ba sa taas? Ingat. Tanga ka pa naman. Galing ah. Ito.
Finally.
Okay, bali. Ay, sira.
If you're
Never
gonna kill
mind.
yourself, don't ruin the mask.
Ah, pinatay niya yung sarili niya. Ito, how about this one? Hindi naman to sira, di ba?
Yes.
Medyo mabaho lang yung bibigay natin kay Lev. Kasi galing na sa patay, pero
Looks
Okay
good.
lang yan. Okay lang yan, Lev. Okay?
Alright, back to Lev.
Yung pabalik, nandoon yung mga clickers. For sure. Ayan na, oh, may stalker, oh. Kapot.
Oh, fuck.
Ba't ba lahat kailangan ng alcohol? Sa shift na lang. Well, that happens. Meron pa. Balik na tayo kay Lev.
That it? I hope that's it.
Ano ba, delay ba uli yung stream or goods? Kasi for sure, baka nag-delay na
Hey,
naman.
present. Here.
We're taking too long.
Can't move any faster. It won't do your sister any good if we're both dead.
Delay sa'yo. Yeah, kasi dahil kanina.
We got this.
Okay, mabilisan na pindot or wag na? Kaya nyo na yan? Okay, saan ba punta?
Abby, what about that?
Nung that. Okay.
That a fire hose? Lev, come get this down.
Coming.
Oy, Lev, help. Apa ka? Malaglag pa ako dyan, ate ko.
I'm gonna head down.
Be careful.
Oh, bababa pa?
Come on. You got this.
Ang gagawin mo dyan sa baba, ate ko? Hindi ba dapat pataas? Daming spores dito, pre.
Follow me.
Oh my god.
Be calm.
Oh my. Oh my.
Holy shit.
That thing was growing into the wall.
Until it fucking wasn't.
I hate demons.
Tell me about it.
Okay, what now?
How many more floors down do you think we have to go?
Kaya mo na yan, Lev. I mean, kaya naman na ni Lev eh. Okay. Loot? No loots here. Wala.
Thank you.
Ano to? Flamethrower! Oh my god, 20 products. Testing. Ala, mali itong daanan ko. At least nakakuha ko ng barrel dun sa dinaanan ko, di ba? So we go here. Okay, I think we should use... Mas madami pa ding barrel si Abby, no? Grabe. Si Eddie medyo onte. What now? Left? Saan dadaan? Ah, dito.
There's a blind thing to the left.
Wala akong shield. Bawal natin patayin yan. Daan na lang tayo, daan. Makikiraan po. Makikiraan po. Oh my god. Looter ba yun? Oh my god, kailangan kitang patayin. I have to kill you, bro. Uy, live! Tara na dito, bilisan mo! Huwag na dyan! Dito na, bili! Bahala ka, iwan kita dyan. Ano, dadaan ka dito?
You okay back there?
Oh my... Saan na bababa? Pre!
Liv, I hate this building.
Keep going down. We're almost at the street.
Where should I go down? Ay! Pre, nakakalito kung saan ako dadaan. I-restream ko to mamaya isang pindot lang para hindi na delay. Delay kasi eh. Bakit kaya nung mga ibang stream naman hindi naman ganun delay? Nagde-delay sa inyo. Try mo nga Rapo, refresh mo yung Twitch mo. Tapos tingnan mo kung delay pa din ako.
Is it true that Isaac took down the old guard?
Fedra, yeah.
I hear he tortures people.
Ayun, wala na.
Let's not talk about this now.
Okay. Have
Ayun yung ano, ang layo
you
no.
tortured people?
Liv. Let's focus on getting out of here.
Akala mo hanggang 2 AM lang. Ewan ko din eh. Hindi ko din alam eh. Late na din kasi ako nag-stream. Well, this happens. Kailangan ko na ilabas to.
Demons.
Just keep looking for a way out of here.
Mga 10 second delay. Grabe yung 10 second delay ah. Kailangan ko ng season. Alright. Hello, okay na? Okay na? Hello? Goods na ba yung stream? Hoy, malalaglag na naman ba si Abby? Ayan, the last sopas. Lumabas na. Ayan yung inaantay ko eh. Kanina wala eh. Hindi lumabas yan. Grabe pala. Binuksan ko yung phone ko, chat. Eto, tinignan ko yung sarili kong stream.
right there?
Bro, I realize na yung binabasahan ko pala ng chat dati
Let's get
sobrang
out of here.
liit.
Let's not tell
Unlike
the
sa
others
second
about what
monitor ko.
happened. I don't want Yara to worry.
You're a good brother.
Apakaliit.
Nice
Paano ko
location.
nababasa yan?
Okay?
Sa second monitor ko nga, hindi ko na mabasa minsan. eh.
We're not supposed to have regrets.
Liv,
I wish I had just ran away. Then Yara wouldn't be caught in all of this. She'd be back home, taking care of our mom.
does your mom need taking care of?
She's our mom. It's our duty.
Nanay nila yon. Grabe, no? Isipin mo nagpakalbo lang si Lev. Bawal sa kanila. Bawal sa kanila magpakalbo. Ngayon nung nagpakalbo siya, gusto siya patayin. Grabe nga yun. Babae ba si Lev? Oo, babae.
This is as far as you go.
Wait, why?
Because they want to kill you. With me, they're just worried about a backgammon rematch.
What's backgammon?
I'm gonna go in the front door, grab the stuff, come right back. You're staying here, yeah?
Yeah.
Wait! Hindi ba inubos ko din yung mga tao na to nung Ellie ako? Hindi ba dito yun? Yung Kalanora, day 2 ng Seattle. Inubos ko to, pre. Oo, ito
I'm
yun.
a wolf! Don't shoot! It's me!
Inubos ko
Abby.
to.
Abby? It's Abby. Shit. She alone? Open the gate.
Hey guys,
Jesus,
Oh
you
my
swim
god,
here?
pinatay ko to lahat.
the boat got fucked. I need to grab some medical supplies. I'm doing a thing for Isaac.
We're moving all these assets to Isaac. What does he need?
I can't talk about it. It's something away from the fob.
Well, everything's getting moved out and packed up. Take a look, see if anyone's got what you need.
Hey, is Nora around? Yesterday she
Sana
said she was
nagsando
shipping
na
out
lang
here.
siya. What?
Just left the last transport, but she'll be back.
Okay, thanks.
Ayan no, natatandaan ko saan ba ako pumasok nun. Ayan no, dito ako galing oh. Dito ako galing oh. Diyan no, diyan no. Dito, dito. Dito ako galing nun. Tapos, as Ellie, inuubos ko lahat to. Grabe, connected. Connected na connected, di ba? Shot, shot, shot. Shot, Lods. Connect, as in, literal na connect ko. Diba, ito yon dito. Dito, na-stuck pa ako. Dito, may pinatay akong aso dito. Sobrang guilty ko. Dito ako tumakbo. Dito ako tumili ng tumili. Ito yon.
Hey,
Dito ako.
Abby.
Ay!
They got you
Oh
out
my
here,
God,
too?
siya yung sinaksak
Yeah,
ko.
what a haul. I need some medical supplies. Can you put me where I'm supposed to?
Abby, just checked in with Isaac.
Ala, siya yung
Back at the farm.
sinaksak ko yung
Let me
naglalaro.
talk to Isaac.
Talk to him in person. You're going back with the next shipment. Sorry.
What are you doing?
She's been AWOL since yesterday. Give me your hands.
Shit.
Bakit in-handcuff?
Hey! Hey! Let me the fuck out! God damn.
You're gonna dislocate your shoulder. Wow. I never thought I'd see you on Isaac's bad side. You find no one at the aquarium? I talked to Manny.
I need some medical supplies.
Why? What happened to him?
Compartment syndrome. Bashed forearm.
You're not treating him, are you?
Mel. We don't have a lot of time.
Jesus. Most of these supplies have been packed and shipped already.
What?
We haven't cleared out the lower floors yet.
Would they have what I need?
Yeah, probably, but it's rough down there.
I'll be fine.
You get caught. I had nothing to do with this.
Of course.
All right, come on.
Eh wala din to si Nora, pinatay ko din to.
Compartment syndrome. Fuck.
Yeah.
Even
Isaac,
Nora
you
is
dating
dead.
the doctor. Mel doing okay?
Fine.
She was so fucked up after Isaac talked to her.
Isaac talked to her?
After he found out you left base, Isaac interrogated all of us. He was rough on her.
Did anyone talk?
No.
Dito ko inabol si Nora, oh. Padiretso dyan, no?
Nora,
Where are you two going?
to grab Abby. Boat's ready to head out.
Well, I still got boxes on the 3rd floor. Can you two bring them first?
Boat's pretty full.
Come on, I don't want to be here all day.
Fine.
Thanks.
Oh my god.
They're gone. And you're okay?
Always.
Well, Manny's been word sick about you.
You know I'm here?
I bet he will soon. So what's Owen's plan once Smoke?
Hold on.
All clear. So, what's Owen's plan once Mel gets that arm off?
He's been talking about Santa Barbara.
Ito yun, di ba?
That's all
Dire-diretso
bullshit.
dito. Hinabol ko si
So bad for
Nora.
Mel.
Yeah. Me too.
All right. These floors have the ICU, the trauma center, and a few surgical suites.
Ayan, no?
Sounds perfect.
There's a reason we haven't touched this area yet. It was ground zero for the whole city. Where they brought the first infected before anyone knew better. It's gonna be overgrown to shit.
Awesome.
May your survival be long.
May my death be swift.
See you back at base. Soon, I hope.
Yeah.
Grabe, para sa medical supplies. Para sa medical supplies ng isang stranger na tinulungan siya mabuhay. Man, sinasacrifice ni Abby yung buhay niya ngayon para doon.
Okay. Surgery, trauma, ICU. Let's do this.
Sana si Lev? Nag-aantay si Lev eh.
This doesn't look so bad.
Nag-aantay si Lev kasi nga bawal siya pumasok dito, di ba?
Oh, of course it's blocked. That'd be too easy. Okay, trauma or surgery then.
Okay, dito tayo tayo.
ER. Trauma center's gonna be in there.
Spores, of course. Spores. Feeling ko may sasalubong sa akin.
This is a lot.
Can I craft? Wala.
Come on, give me
Ito na.
something.
Wala laman.
Please, let there be an ambulance in the garage.
Congrats. Wala pa din akong scissors. Kailangan kong scissors. Like legit. Can you give me scissors, please? Can you give me scissors? May footstep ka naririnig. Ako wala. Kailangan ko scissors, pre. Please give me scissors. You know what? Tumayo na lang ako. I don't care. Parang wala naman. Rapo, pahingi yung scissors. Ito. Salamat, salamat. Salamat, nilabas ni Rapo yung scissors. Thank you, thank you. Tapos balikan ko yung ano dito, yung item. Yan, yung tape. Ano yun? May nag-growl.
The fuck is that?
Ba't ang laki? Ba't ang laki naman nun?
Surgery. Great.
Okay, there you go.
I hear you.
Okay, may tropa na tayo dito. I think we can use this one muna. Tapos, pang emergency yung ano.
Needs electricity. Gotta be a generator around here somewhere. Fuck. Sounds like they're still crawling around in there. Could use Levin here. Or Manny.
Di ba ito generator na to? Should I upgrade? Pina-upgrade ko na to eh. Ito na lang, scope na lang neto. Capacity, burst fire. Di ko kailangan ng burst fire neto. Scope na lang. Yan! Nice! Nice! Okay, wala na. Thank you.
Here goes. Yes.
Ba't parang feel ko mas need ko yung shotgun? Uy, wag ka manuntok. Papalitan ko lang ng shotgun to. Tapos yung ammo palitan ko na lang.
Ah, shit. Okay. No one's dying here today.
Bilisan mo na! Bilisan mo na! I'm dead! I'm dead! I'm dead! I'm dead! Oh no, I'm dead! aabot. Hindi, isa pa. Kaya. Kailangan ko tipidin yung bala ko eh. Feel ko eh.
No one's dying here today.
Hindi, ganito gawin natin. Diba buksan natin to. Tapos bato kong bote doon. Hoy! Hoy!
Stop doing that!
Lumayo ka sa akin, di wala yun. Remember this part? Oh, goodness. Give me scissors, man. Can I like... Wait. Kaya ba to sa clicker? Oh, kaya.
That should make things easier.
Okay, kaya... Oh! Oh, no. Nakakainis yun. Labas ng labas eh. Wait, ano pa pang fire ammo? Wait lang. Okay. Well, that's cool na pwede ko palang gamitin yung crossbow sa clicker ng one hit. That's good to know.
Let's see what you got.
Wala din.
For fuck's sake. Please, let there be an ambulance in the garage.
Kaming supplies dito ah. Okay, around here may tape pa, di ba? Okay, ayun yung tape. Dito din may tape eh. Ay, hindi. Plot pala to. Yun! Alrighty. So, ngayon yung magiging cutscene ko dito, kalmado lang. Yeah, kalmado nga lang. Galing, no? Nag-a-add sila ng ganun kasi alam nilang hindi ko pinatay yung ano yung... Oh my... Di ba kanina nung tumakbo ko ng buhay pa yung clickers, nagpapanik si Abby. Tapos nung patay na yung clickers, biglang kalmado na. That's so cool. Pero bakit ganito? Parang... Dadaan ako dyan? Legit ba? Okay, hindi ako dyan dadaan. Hindi ako dun. No. Damn, ah. Wait, legit ba? Doon ako dadaan? Ah, okay. Ito pala.
The fuck did this? Don't panic. Get this
I think
shit
kailangan ko na neto. Pansinin mo nga ni. Oh, here it comes. Grab all ammo you need. You'll need it. Okay. Basic. I don't need ammo.
Bingo.
Oh!
That's good.
Okay, sana may meds na dito. Give me meds. Yun oh.
Yes.
Jackpot oh. There you go, kompletong set.
Get ready to celebrate.
Ayan na nga. Oh. What the freak? What the freak? What the freak? What the freak? Hindi ko nalalabanan yun, pre. Oh my god! Oh my god, bro! Ah! Madaling araw na. Wala stress na ba? Wala sumigaw ba? Wala sumigaw. Oh no! Well, where's my shotgun? Saan ko babarilin to? Oh my god.
Good riddance.
What the hell is that?
There's gotta be a way out of here.
Oregano. Oh my. Give me that. Please. It took you 2 hours? What? Let's go na. Can I craft something? I can. I can't. Oh my god, lahat ng bala ko full. Ang dami kong bala, pre. Wow, ang daming supplies. I like it. Saan na ba ako dadaan? Ah, eto.
Still alive.
Buhay pa yon? Where are you?
Great.
Pasok. Hindi ako papasok. Magkaiba yung may pasok sa hindi papasok. Hindi ako papasok, practice lang naman. Alam ko din naman yung pa-practice. Paulit-ulit na sayaw yan. Ano, ikaw yung takot ngayon? Joke lang eh. I'm joking. Joke lang eh, hindi naman mabiro eh. Kala mo naman... Joke lang eh. Ba't ang tagal mo mamatay? Ba't tagal niya mamatay? Wala, may bomba. Hello? 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 Bro.
Fuck this.
Broski. Gaano ka katibay? Holy. Ayoko na ng story ni Abby, pre. Ang dami nangyayari masyado. Pwede bang tama na tayo kay Abby? Nababaliw na ako eh. Ang daming pinagdadaanan ni Abby, pre. Tapos si Ellie, pinapatay na isa-isa yung kaibigan niya. Nung mga days na to, pinapatay ko na lahat. Uy, may gamit dun. Bumalik ka dun. I see supplies here. Pero gusto ko pa, alam mo, gusto ko pa maglaro ng maglaro kasi alam ko ang next stream ko neto sa Tuesday na eh.
Yara's doing okay.
Gusto kong sulitin. Okay, where's Lev now? Ay, ito si Lev. Tapusin ko na? Mahaba pa ata eh. Aabutin tayo umaga pagka tinapos ko.
They're all looking for you. What did you do?
Nothing. I told you to stay put.
I couldn't. Your friends are all over the place. Did you get the stuff?
3 hours na lang?
Yeah.
In-next stream
I
na
just
yung
need
3 hours
to
na
come out
yun.
of here.
Gina? Pagka na-drain ako, mag-end stream ako. Kasi alam niyo naman ako, di ba? Baka may mangyari na naman dito na ika-drain ko. I-next stream ko na lang yun. Ngayon naman, wala pa naman. Doing good. Asarin natin para ma-drain. Ayan na naman, no? Siya na naman. Diyos-Diyosan siya sa Seraphite. Wag mo kasi tignan. Wag mo kasi tignan na i-spoil ka tuloy kung ending na or hindi pa. Ayaw mo nun, surprise na ending na. Di ba?
It's okay.
Oh my God, nahawakan niya na.
Yeah, see?
Ah.
Well done. You can go see her now if you want.
Is she gonna be okay?
Yeah, actually. Hey.
They're just kids.
Kaya alam mo yung favorite part mo eh. Nanonood ka sa YouTube eh.
What happened to us?
Maybe we stopped looking for the light.
Maybe. I'm gonna go check on the girl.
Okay.
Wala na, pinutol na. Ayan yun na nakita natin, di ba? Dugo-dugo dyan. Nung Ellie tayo. Day 3? Day 3 na? Oh, hindi pa din. Oh, ano na naman to? Ba't bumabalik ba ako paulit-ulit? Pangatlong beses na to, Abby, ah. Pabalik-balik na naman tayo sa ospital na to, ah. Okay, day 3 na. Shimay. E-edit ko to, tas buong 3 weeks ng upload ko, puro The Last of Us lang. Oh my god. To be honest nga, tinatamad ako gumawa ng thumbnail eh. Hindi ako nakakapag-upload ng YouTube kasi tinatamad ako mag-thumbnail. Pa-headlock. What?
She's not going to come with you. Convince her. We broke the rules. That's all you care about.
Owen? Just me. What are you still doing up? I was changing Yara's bandages. Can't believe she's on her feet already. Yeah, well, scars are tough.
I can get there and back. No,
What are they fighting about?
fuck you, Yara. I wouldn't leave you behind.
Lev doesn't want to leave Seattle. Owen invited them to come to Santa Barbara.
Tulog na ako. What?
It's very Owen. I figured you'd have talked him out of going by now. Actually, I'm going with them. But not if you come. What? He may fall for your little act with these kids, but I don't. There's nothing to fall for. Isaac's top scar killer suddenly had a change of heart? Nothing to do with Owen, right? I haven't always done the right thing. You're a piece of shit, Abby. You always have been. I'm done with you. You want to do right by these kids? Get out of their lives before you screw them over too. Fuck. Abby? Nice shirt.
Are you okay?
How's your arm?
It's better than it was this morning.
Lev coming around?
He will. Do you mind helping me look for him? He was pretty worked up.
Sure.
He ran off this way.
Nagtampo na si Lev. Pre. Nanunuyo pa ako. Lalaki ba si Lev?
Lev!
Akala ko siya. Him pala.
Lev!
Ngayon
Come back
bad.
here, please.
Nag-assume ng gender.
Go to Santa Barbara.
My bad, cancelled na ako.
Worried about our mom.
Nag-assume ng gender.
Because of us.
Should he be worried?
He needs to focus on his own safety right now.
What could happen to her?
Sometimes parents are held responsible for their children's sins. But our mom is so devout, she'll probably be fine.
Are there options for helping her?
He can't convince her to leave. No one could. I'm more worried of what she'd do to him.
Lev! Lev! I'm sorry! Lev, come on out! Lev! Lev!
You know, I wonder if he saw this. He loves sharks.
Oh, he
Loves
loves
but
sharks.
hates the ocean, huh?
He really opened up to you.
We bonded over our shared fear of dying.
You hear that?
Lev!
Are you in here?
Uy,
Hey, it's okay. It's okay. She just wants to play. Hey, girl. What you got there?
laruan niya yun!
Okay, watch.
Ito yung squishy toy na. Oh my god, itong specific na aso na to. Oh my god.
Go get it, girl.
Pre, ano na ako, nagigilty na ako sa pinaggagawa ko nung Ellie ako.
I think she wants you to throw it again.
Pre. Ang cute. Kaso pinagsasaksak lang kita.
Yeah, you're so fast.
Oh my god.
You wanna try?
That doesn't seem like a good idea.
Pinagsasaksak ko to.
She's not going to bite, right?
Nope. I promise.
Oh my. Sorry. Nagigilty naman ako.
Can I do it again?
I think she would love that.
Bro. Lumalanbot yung puso ko, pre.
We should keep looking for him.
Lev!
How is he doing this?
Hey, do you think maybe he could convince your mom?
If she saw him like this, she'd strangle him with her bare hands. How much did he tell you?
Not much. I heard some of your
nagigilty
people
ako.
calling him Lily.
For a long time, I didn't understand why he was questioning the laws, the traditions. When he explained to me how he felt inside, I told him he had to keep it to himself. I was hoping he'd snap out of it. He seemed fine for a while. But then he shaved his head. Like one of the men. It was suicide.
Is that when you ran?
First, I screamed at him. I hit him. I was so stupid.
Yeah, I have an idea. Why don't we find something to cheer him up? Come on.
To be honest, I swear, I'll be honest. Hindi naman ganun kasama si Abby. Gusto niya lang ng revenge.
Why do you think he did it
Pero
now?
tingnan mo naman yung mga
Save this
ginagawa
house,
niya.
Last week, he got assigned his role in the
Di
community.
ba?
He wanted to be a soldier like me, but they decided he was to be a wife to one of the elders. It's tradition.
Yak!
Poor kid.
Where is Santa Barbara?
It's in California.
Where's California?
Okay, so look, this is Seattle, and this is Santa Barbara.
And our island?
It's too small to see, but it would be up here.
So far.
Yeah.
Good.
Nagalit nga lang talaga siya kasi wala namang ginawa papa niya. Tapos pinatay na bigla. Kaya nga, 'di ba? That makes sense kung bakit gusto niya ng revenge, 'di ba? Ang gusto lang naman nila is gumawa ng cure. So sa mata talaga ni Abby, masama talaga si Joel. Pero
There's gotta be something left around
hindi
here.
ba same POV lang yon? Same POV lang. Kung sa mata ni Abby, wala namang ginawa yung tatay ko eh. Bakit papatayin? Eh pinatay. Walang ginawa. Ngayon si Abby gusto niya ng revenge siya kay Joel. Ngayon sa POV ni Ellie, bakit niyo papatay si Joel eh wala naman siyang ginawa? Hindi alam yung reason, di ba? So, gusto din ni Ellie ng revenge. Hindi ba parang nagiging paulit-ulit na lang? Kasi parang ang napapatay nila hindi yung isa't isa, napapatay nila yung mga kaibigan nila eh. So, kunwari, yung last day ng Seattle, namatay si Jesse. Kasi binaril ni Abby. Ngayon naman sa POV ni Ellie, pinapatay niya mga kaibigan ni Abby. Sila Nora, yung mga nagbantay doon sa hospital, sila... Ayun yung mga una niya napapatay. Kaysa magpatayan silang dalawa, yung napapatay nila yung mga kaibigan nung isa't isa eh. Which is so bad para sa akin. Kasi, yung mga aso, di ba, ang daming nadadamay. Which, making things so much worse para sa akin.
This is cute. See anything worthwhile?
No.
Keep looking.
Nagiging worse and worse eh. Kasi, silang dalawa lang naman dapat naglalaban eh. Ba't nadadamay yung iba?
What about this?
It's perfect. Mel's wrong, you know. You're a good person.
See? You're a good
Don't
person.
mind me.
I know enough.
Abby, will you stop stealing my stuff, please?
I'm sorry, I didn't realize you owned everything in the aquarium.
Yeah, well, my aquarium, my stuff. I'm just kidding. Take whatever you want. You can't.
Have you seen Lev?
Yeah, he was down that hallway. Can I talk to you?
I'll catch up.
She couldn't tell I was joking. I suck with kids.
Yeah.
They really like you, though. So, coming to Santa Barbara, right?
I can't.
Why?
You know why.
We can figure this out.
It's too late.
No, it isn't. Look, I know it's a fucking mess. I know. But we can choose to be happy. Happy. We're allowed to be happy.
Oh,
You hear that?
Lev! Get back here!
hala, lumayas.
What's he doing? He's going after her.
After who?
His mom.
She's gonna kill him, Abby.
Is the boat ready?
Not yet.
Wait,
How much
bakit
time do you-
papatayin ni... Wait, hindi ko naintindihan yun ah. Bakit papatayin ni...
A few hours.
Ba't papatayin ni Lev yung nanay niya?
We'll grab a boat from the marine.
Hey, she just had surgery. I'm fine.
How else am I gonna find him?
I'll go with you.
Owen?
They're heading to the fucking island.
Exactly.
I'm not gonna let her go by herself.
Actually, you are.
I can help.
Yeah, by staying here and fixing the fucking sailboat.
Anong Will Talks?
Get your priorities straight. Yara, let's go.
Bro, bakit papatayin ni Lev yung nanay niya? Hindi ko na-gets. Wala, may pinag-usapan ba sila kung hindi ko na-gets? Oh, that's why wala si Abby.
There's the marina.
That's why wala si Abby nung pinatay si Mel pati si Owen. Kasi sumunod sila kay Lev. Asan Rapo? Rapo? Andito lang si Rapo.
Do wolves use this place?
We docked some of our boats there.
Okay.
Umalis na nga ako sa DC dahil dyan. Hindi, ano ba yung chat? Naintindihan nyo ba? Oy, gago! Kala ko may hagdan pa. May tinatanong kasi ako sa inyo. May pinag-usapan ba sila tungkol doon sa nanay ni Lev? Kasi papatayin ni Lev yung nanay niya eh. Nang walang reason.
Whoa. Not making that.
Dito. Saan ba dadaan? Wala naman sinabi, di ba? Ano bang ganap dyan, Rapo? Ba't nilayasan mo? Sabi mo, pagod ka lang, pero bakit sa iba ka nagpapahinga? May sinampay pa dito. Saan ako dadaan? I'm lost. Where am I supposed to go? Di ba dito? What there? Hindi ko kaya talunin yan, ate ko. Saan ako dadaan? Ayaw naman dumaan dito. Oh. Baka sa taas. Ano ba? May babasagin ba ako? Or may lulusutan? Halika dito. Ito ba? Bawal ba to? Wala? Gagi, naliligaw na ako. Ano ba yan? Wala naman ako nagigit sa pinag-uusapan nyo eh. Ba't ako aawat? Ito pala.
Here. I've got you.
Ba't ka ba inaaway? Wala nga ako magets eh.
Let's go.
Ano ba yan?
Careful.
Ano ba yung wheel talks na yun? Hindi ko nga alam yung wheel talks na yun eh.
So, how do we get to your village in one piece?
There are blind spots along the coast we can boat into. From there, we'll follow back roads.
They're safe?
Safest option we have.
Any chance Lev is gonna change his mind?
None. It's too stubborn.
Does he get what he's walking into?
Thought he did. Had a soft spot for him.
I mean, it's his mom.
Yeah, well, she wants to live out there.
Uy, ang dami ko na palang pang-upgrade. Listen mode. Movement. Grab enemy movement. Move faster while grabbing an enemy. Hindi ko kailangan yan. Ito. Hold breath. While aiming, hold your breath. Steady your aim. Faster health kits. Craft hunting pistol ammo. Craft 2 standard bullet for your hunting pistol with the shape about. Well, improve melee. Okay, I need this. Improve blast radius. Improve silencers.
How do we get to the marina from here?
Looks like we'll have to go around.
Ay, nako po, Kendrick ka.
Down this way.
Swimming. Ay, hindi pala. Hanggang tuhod lang pala.
Try and keep your arm dry.
Abby! Over here!
Stop. I've got it. Okay, go, go.
There's a way through here. Come on.
Ano ba to, low tide? Ba't hanggang tuhod lang yung ano dito? Water rising.
Boats are across the water over there. We just gotta get up to the road and go around.
Okay, sounds good.
Here. Stay on the dock. I'll go get a boat and pick you up here.
No, I can help.
Not with this. I got it. Okay. Okay.
yung nagbabarilan. Sinong kalaban nila doon? Saan pa ako dadaan? I'm lost.
Get down!
Uy, ano eh?
Abby, what the fuck? Manny. You by yourself?
Yeah.
Shit. This sniper's a fucking pro.
What are you doing out here?
The boats. We were supposed to hit the island tonight. Then this pendejo showed up.
Wait.
I sent the guy to call for help.
Hindi ba si
Backup
Tommy
should be on
to?
the way. Should be.
Bro, I feel like si Tommy to.
I need one of those boats. Now.
Why?
Ask me later.
Then I guess you're gonna help me take this guy out.
Let's do it.
Di ba si Tommy to? Chat, I think it's Tommy.
Stay low. He killed my whole fucking team.
Don't worry. We'll get him.
Fuck these trespassers.
What trespassers?
The last few days, they came out of nowhere.
Go, go.
They're hitting us hard. No.
This way.
See.
Si Tommy to, pre. This is Tommy. Si Tommy to, I swear. I know it's him.
Quick.
Pre, sniper, hawak ni Tommy. Aray ko.
You okay?
Now.
Oh, ito ko bulate eh. Tommy, mauubos yung...
I'm moving up.
Fuck. What next?
Nadaanan ba to? O lulunodin ko lang sarili ko dito? Huwag nyo nga agawin yan. Nanonood sa akin eh. Nangaagaw naman kayo eh.
Hey, over here! Street spot.
Shit.
Okay, what do you want to do?
We need to get in that garage. We can use this as cover.
I'm right behind you. Go. They're falling apart! We gotta move! Go! Go!
Oh my god. Oh my god. Uy, umakyat ka pa dyan, Abby. Sira ulo. Ayan. Pinindot ko yung jump kasi na-stuck ka doon. Hindi para umakyat ka doon. Sira ulo ka ba, Abby?
We can use this as cover.
I'm right behind you. Go. They're falling apart! We gotta move! Go! Go!
Fuck, he's good.
Oh shit.
Si Tommy to. Promise, Rapu. Nafe-feel ko si Tommy to. Magaling mag-sniper si Tommy.
What the fuck is he doing?
Shit. He's luring them to us. Get ready.
Day 3 na? Oo, day 3 na. Si Tommy to, promise. May loot. Teka, may loot dito. Wait lang ah. Ano bang pwede kong i-craft? Wala na, kompleto na ako.
Fuck, he's doing it!
Pre, mamamatay ako.
Back there! Show them!
Pre, visit to si Tommy. Naiinit. Oh my god!
We gotta get to the bridge before he runs!
Yeah! I can't wait to get my hands on this guy.
Saan na ba si Tommy, pre?
Oh, shit.
I know it's Tommy eh.
I'll cover you.
Wait, pwede ako mag-craft ng bala. Hindi ba nag-upgrade ako? Asan na yung pwede ako mag-craft ng bala? Ay, hindi ko pala na-upgrade. Ba't ba bumabaril si Tommy? Anong trip niyan? Para nga mag-lure yung ano, mag-lure yung infected sa amin.
Go!
Saka syempre, di ba nagte-take revenge nga siya? Ayun na si Tommy oh. Namukhaan ko oh. Ayun na si Tommy yan oh. Teka. Oh, tingnan niya si Tommy to, tingnan niya. Ayun na si Tommy oh. Di ba? Tommy, wag! Tommy, wag! Wag, Tommy, wag.
Hey! Let's meet you muerto! He's right there! Go, 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 go!
Keep the pressure up!
Shit, watch out!
Ayun na si Tommy oh, di ba?
We got you, pendejo!
Tommy! Saan si Tommy? Ang layo agad ni Tommy.
You see him?
There! There!
Hoy, Tommy. Babarilan na kita, Tommy. O baka...
He's cornered!
He'll be waiting. This way.
Come on, let's flush him out. Manny.
Screw it. Let's just...
Oh my God! Ang talino ni Tommy, pre! Ang talino ni Tommy! Oh my God! 1v1! Oh my God, Tommy! Oy! Tommy! Can you like chillax? Asan to si Tommy, pre? Rapo, di ba mod ka naman dito? Di naman sa binibigyan kita ng idea, pero parang ganun na nga. Oh! Ayan o, si Tommy, pre, oh. Oh my God.